I got into electrical because I was building houses, but the thing with building houses is when you're framing stuff, you don't know you did it wrong until the end and it's crooked. But when I do electrical, I know right away if it's working or if it's not. If I get a little zap, I know I'm doing something wrong.
Oh, I've been helping boss out for 2 weeks now. So like I'm basically, like not legally, but basically certified, I think.
Hello. Yeah, your lights work though. Well, the wires are okay there. We'll come back and put them in a hole next week.
Well, it's on fire right now. No, don't use water. That just makes it matter.
And then tomorrow's a holiday. And then like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm a little tied up with stuff. I've got to be in court.
No, we do electricity, not fire. They're different elements.
Okay, and just so you know, this number's not going to be working after today. I got a new phone coming, so I'll call you with a new number later on. Okay then. All right, thanks. He's not happy. You dug that hole crooked.